Hi everyone. Okay, this is our last day in Batam. Today morning we skipped our breakfast in the hotel and headed to MostCat Cafe. MostCat Cafe is located at Ruko Baloi, Jalan Teratai 2, Batam. It is a small cafe but very cozy. Down here we had a kitty themed delicious treats as our breakfast. After enjoying the food, we headed to the second level for the cat studio. Okay guys, these are the resident cats. The stars of the MostCat Cafe are the cats themselves. Look at them meow. So cute and adorable. This cafe boasts a diverse collection of cats, representing different breeds and personalities. And now it's time to feed the cats with the kitty snacks. Whether you are drawn with the playful kitten or prefer the regal charm of Persian, you will find a furry friend here to capture your heart. Thank you, MostCat Cafe. We thoroughly enjoy playing with the kitten and the cats here. Our next stop of the day is lunch at Oriental Palace Kitchen and Dim Sum in Batam City Square Mall. And this is halal certified restaurant that serves Chinese cuisine and various types of dim sum. Okay guys, this is checkout time. And this is my last drive from our hotel to Sekupang Ferry Terminal. Thank you Batam, we thoroughly enjoy our trip of 2024. And goodbye everyone, hope to see you soon. And guys, thank you for watching.